In this video, I will guide you how to make image 4x4 size in Microsoft Word. This is pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. First, you need to click on the insert and click on the picture and click on this device to select the picture from your computer. I have this picture and click insert to paste it. Let me zoom out. And now in the picture format, click on that, click on the crop and click on the aspect ratio and click 1:1 square. And now resize your picture, the which area you want to show. For example, this area. Click outside and now select the picture, right click and click on the size and position and click on the size tab and set the absolute height to 4 inch and width is also 4 inch and remove the checkbox block aspect ratio. Uncheck that and then add to the text wrapping and select in front of text and click OK to proceed. And here it is. Now you can move it easily anywhere on the page as well. So this way you can easily make image 4x4 size in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.